Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I have a little unboxing for you from Amazon. Now I am always looking for different storage options for not just diamond paintings but also in general for crafting bits and bobs, and so I have come across an item that I think would work. So let's get into it and I'll explain as we go. So I've not had a look yet. Hopefully it will be what I'm expecting. So yes, right. Many of you will recognise this style of storage. There are a lot of companies selling it. Let's get into here. But in theory, I really hope this is going to do what I want it to. Okay, so this is in fact not designed for diamond painting. It is for garden seed organising. So this is what we've got. So we've got some stickers, which is great, big ones and small ones. And then we've got a selection of different sized pots. So we've got these ones, which I'll just measure those for you. So bottom to top, that's just under 5 centimetres. It is, yeah, a little bit under 2 inches. Let me just grab my, this is my regular, you can see how similar they are. So yeah, these are exactly the same size as what I'm already using. So we've got these, so that's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21 on that side, and exactly the same on this side. They're all screw tops. And then we've got these big daddy pots, which are also screw top. And obviously we've got 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 of those. So, weirdly, unless my maths is wrong, that's only 57. It's listed as a 60 slot. So maybe, I don't know, maybe they're counting the pouch at the back as an extra. I don't know. I don't mind. It's fine. Much the same as the other ones. Does this bit come out? Yeah. So exactly the same as your other diamond storage. This bit's going to come out if you need it to. It just gives us a little bit more variety, a little bit more options. We've all done those paintings that come with a whole load of black or a whole load of white and we need somewhere to store them. So, and also this is a really good price. I've literally just gone on to check what the price is, and it is on Amazon today at £16.68, which is such good value for one of these. I've seen these being sold for over £10 without any pots in. So it's definitely a really good addition to your collection. There are a couple of other sets like this that I'm going to look at, that they don't come in the purple though. I think they've got a green edge, and they're a little bit more expensive, a little bit bigger, and some of them have got 3 different sizes of pots in, but they all come under this idea of garden seed organising. So it's well worth using that in your search engines when you are looking for storage. Try and think outside the box, search for different things and see what you come up with. So this is what I'm going to be using for my June project, which has got 51 colours. And I'm also going to be adding in a few extra special drills for that. So it'll be nice to have a bit of extra space to store those as well. So I just wanted to come on and show you this. I'm really pleased with it. As I say, you know, for less than £17, you're getting a really good hard-wearing case. It's got its carrying handle, which pops up just like that, and stores away for slightly easier storage. Is it the same size as my 60? Yes, so that is my, let's grab this one open. So this is a standard 60 bottle case, and it's exactly the same size as this 51, but this is giving you a little bit more variety in terms of pot size. And I assume the confusion with listing this as a 60 slot is because of the size, because if this was full of small pots, it would hold 60. So let me know, have you tried this style of storage? I know there are a couple of people out there that have started looking at more unusual forms of storage, but I really love these cases. They work really well for me. I like being able to take out a pot, use it, put it back. I know what pot I'm working on. I much prefer that to storage kits where all the pots are joined together, and I do have some Elizabeth Ward, but I have struggled with opening them, so I use them for deep storage of special drills rather than for kitting up for actual working use. So yeah, that really is all I wanted to show you today. I'm just really, really pleased with this. I wasn't sure that it was going to be what I wanted, but I'm really pleased. Obviously, the proof is in the pudding, and I will work out of this box for the month of June, and then when I do my post review at the end of June, you will get to hear a little bit more about how I've got on with working with this. And if you check out the Wednesday night live where I kit up for June, you'll get to see me kitting up into this as well. So that is all from me for today. Sadly, because it's Amazon, I do not have a discount code for you to go and grab this yourself, but it is currently on a very good deal anyway at £16.68. If you are overseas, I'll pop the UK link down in the description, and if you're overseas, hopefully if you put in the name of the product or the description, you'll come up with something very similar, if not the same. So that is all from me. Thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoy my content and you want to find out more about this product or many more, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell icon, become a member of the Crafty Coven. Huge thank you to those of you who already support me over on Patreon. If you want to join them, you can do so from as little as $1 a month, and you would be so welcome to do that. That is all from me, and until next time, stay crafty.